First, I'm going to use Paint Relief by MAC and use my fingertip to apply that all over my eyelid as a base for my eyeshadows. I'm going to use a Scotch tape so that it acts as a guidance for my eyeshadows. First color, I'm going to go with Hush. It is a beautiful natural color, and as you can see, it doesn't show that much. Next, I'm going to go with this color called Cork by MAC. It is a beautiful transition light brown color. I'm going to blend that color as much as possible. Next, I'm going with this color called Sketch. This is also by MAC, and it is a beautiful shimmery brown color. For my eyelid, I'm actually mixing two colors called Expensive Pink and Copper Ring. This is also by MAC, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. It is a beautiful copper, gold, and orange color mixed together. I'm just brushing up my eyebrows so that it looks neat. And now I'm going to get rid of my Scotch tapes and I'm going to blend the color more so that there's no harsh lines. To get rid of all those powders that fell on my eyebrows, I'm using this brown mascara by NYX. And then next I'm going into my eyebrows, and I'm going to use this Eyebrow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills in chocolate. And I'm going to fill in all those sparse areas in my eyebrows. For my skin, I'm going to use this Revlon Photo Ready Skin Lights. It's a face luminizer, and I'm using a beauty blender to blend that all over my face so that it gives that hidden shine and glow to your skin. For my foundation, I'm going with Bare Honey and Bare Almond by Bare Minerals Foundation. I am going to mix the two foundation to get the right shade to my skin tone. So it's going to be, right now I'm applying the honey color, and then I'm going to go into my almond color and apply it. So it's basically going to be a mixture of two foundation. Next, I'm going to go with my Prolong Concealer in NC30. This is by MAC, and I'm going to use that underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, a little bit on my Cupid's bow, and underneath my chin. And I'm going to go with my damp beauty blender to apply and blend all that product into my skin. We are definitely not going to do a harsh contour and a highlighted look, but we do need the highlighted look to give our face that glow. For my powder, I'm using this powder by Kryolan in shade FS38. This is actually a water activated powder. This is long lasting and it's the best powder to use during the summertime. And I love this powder for setting all those foundation into my skin. I'm using the color called Coppering by MAC and applying that all over underneath my eyes. Now I'm going into my contour and I'm using the Studio Sculpting Powder by MAC in shade Deep Dark. This is a beautiful suntan contouring kind of powder that makes your skin look natural. Definitely we are not going into harsh contouring for today's look, so powder contour is what we are going to do. I'm actually going to set my under eyes some more, and this time I'm using the NC40 Studio Fix Powder by MAC, and I'm using a small brush. This also gives me that highlighted look effect, so I decided to go ahead and highlight my bridge of my nose a little bit on my forehead, and also my Cupid's bow. For my highlight, I'm going to use Soft and Gentle by MAC, and I'm going to highlight the bridge of my nose, my cheeks, my Cupid's bow, and a little bit on my forehead. This gives me that glow that Ashura usually carries. For my blush, I'm going to use this color called Peach Twist by MAC, and I'm going to apply that right in between my contour and highlighted area. And I do notice that my blush became a little too dark for today's look, so I'm going to diffuse that using Studio Fix in NC40 powder so that it doesn't look as dark anymore. I just love it how instantly I could soften up my blush using a pressed powder, which is closer to my skin tone. For my lip liner, I'm going to use this color called Shikori, and I'm going to line my lips. And oh, this is by MAC as well. I'm going to use Stilla's liquid lipstick in shade Dulce or Dolce. I can't really pronounce the name, so I'll definitely write it below in the description box as well as on the video so you guys can refer to it and also help me pronounce it. But definitely this is a beautiful color. It's a very nice, beautiful brown color. And ta-da! I'm already ready with my jewelries. Now, as you can see, that shiny lipstick that I'm applying, it's by TG in shade Gossip. And for my under eyes, I'm using this color called Nude by Rimmel's eyeliner pencil. And for my mascara, I'm using Falsies by MAC. I'm just trying to carefully place my eyelashes on top of my eyeliner. And I'm almost done. And I'm trying to put that lash in. It's so easy to do it on others, but I find it really difficult to put it on myself. And ta-da! I'm all ready to rock the party. So there you go, guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I'm just gonna wear my jewelries on and my sari on. And the only reason I was wearing blue contacts, although I wasn't a big fan of it, is because I'm trying to do that whole Aishwarya look, and she has naturally beautiful blue eyes, obviously, which I can imitate at any given day. So anyways, this is the final look. Hope you guys like it. Leave me your comments and questions, and do give me a thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope to see you next time in my next video. Thank you. Mwah.